Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I have used WD-40 my whole life for lubrication, to get rid of rust, to melt away the fat wood out of the teeth of my saws. I just wanted to show you that it's also a great flammable fire starter. Let's get started. These are just pieces of pine and some punky oak. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. How about that little IKEA stove? Doesn't it do a great job?